Okay, my name is Zahid Mustafa. I'm the Group Chief Consumer and Digital Banking for the Bank of Punjab. Bank of Punjab is one of the largest public sector bank in Pakistan.
So we're here at TCF 2022. What are you most excited for from the event?
To tell you the truth, I didn't know coming in on what to expect, but one, I was really amazed by the size of the event, and then very diverse kind of participation. Not just from the geography viewpoint, but also from the expertise coming in. So, met many people from the banking industry, a lot of people from fintech, and obviously a big group of Temenos people.
Mm-hmm. Now, your organization have launched digital banking, and what were the key challenges that the bank was facing before the launch?
So, Bank of Punjab is going through a massive change. So, like I said, it's a public sector bank. It was primarily concentrating on the conventional banking, going through the branches. So, and as a company, we believe in catering to the entire pyramid. Our slogan is "Har Fard Ka Khayal," which is that the bank is providing service for the entire spectrum. So, in order to serve this, we were primarily focusing on the physical network, which was very costly, and the return on economic capital was not really there. So digital for us is a change through which, number one, on the customer experience side, on the top of the pyramid, we wanted to really match and beat our competitors in terms of what could they expect from the digital banking service. But at the same time, on the base of the pyramid, we were primarily focusing on the cost of operations, reducing our cost to serve, and that's where obviously Temenos Infinity, which is what we are working with, is really going to help us.
Yeah, so could we expand on that more? Like, how did Temenos and NdcTech help the bank overcome these challenges?
So we actually went through a very complicated kind of analysis on whatever else was available in the market, and knowing from my previous background as well as looking or comparing the various features, it was an automatic choice for us to go for Temenos. It's a very integrated system, so it integrates well with our core banking system. But at the same time, from a customer experience perspective, I think what Temenos has been able to put together is far superior. Another advantage that tilted towards us on our selection on Temenos was the local technology provider, who was NDC. Who again is run by a group of really competent people. So we wanted to partner with somebody who had a similar kind of a DNA and a vision like us.
That sounds very interesting. What are the benefits that the bank is going to get as a result of this then?
So one of the biggest benefits that we are looking at is actually growing our customer base, which is becoming more and more difficult. So we are right now a bank of 1.2 million customers. And we wanted to actually grow it in many folds to about 4-5 million. Among the banks that we have in Pakistan, we are among the top 10 banks, and our aspiration is to be among the top 5 banks in 5 years.
It's very exciting to see. It's clear partnerships have been beneficial, so I want to ask, what do you think makes a good partner?
Like I said, I think having the same vision is really helps, and having the same kind of a DNA vision. And what I've heard today, I think it was like I was attending one of my board meetings. So I think that really makes a difference, because then you have the same goal, and then you can align your forces and move forward.
And to conclude then, is there anything else you want to share with our audience and our viewers for the future of what you guys have going forward?
The future that we are going for, we have an internal term which we call as Challenger Bank. So what we would like to do is create a complete digital bank to compete with our own physical or conventional bank. So that's the kind of challenge that we have put together for the teams. And I think the obsolescence risk on the conventional side will also help them improve their customer experience and proposition. While at the same time, like I said, to handle a much bigger base, and especially on the base of the pyramid, our digital bank is, I think, better designed to serve these customers.